Hello everyone, I'm Zubair from Useful Tech. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get high CPC in Google admob. So let's get started. First, you must download seed4.me VPN. It gives a high CPC seed4.me search in Google. This is available for any OS, any operating system like Windows, Android, iOS, and Linux. So friends, you can see VPN for iPhone, VPN for Android. It is just best VPN for self-clicking. Is available for all just available for Windows, Android, and iOS. So friends, download this VPN and install. I already installed this VPN. After installing this VPN, just go to there and connect this VPN to United Kingdom, and then click on connect button, and then click on ads. Click on education ads, insurance ads, and car ads. So I will show you how you get insurance and education ads. So simply search in Google insurance and cars. Search car and you will see there is ad. If you click on ad, Google show you the car ads every time. Then you will get high CPC. So click on this ad, then you will see the car ads in your app. So friends, click on this ad. You can click this ad, then you will see the car ads, and then click on ads. You must connect this VPN. So friends, thanks for watching. For more videos, subscribe this channel and click on bell icon.